Hi everyone, so I'm making this video just to show off some things that I can do for you in your business. And what I like to do is make sales funnels for people using a program called ClickFunnels. So if you ever heard of ClickFunnels, it's a really cool program that creates sales funnels for businesses. And what a sales funnel is basically instead of sending somebody to your web page where it's very confusing and people can do basically whatever they want to do, they can just browse around and leave. Basically, a sales funnel, you give the viewer only like one option to do something. So, for instance, all right, just really fast. Sorry, I'm gonna show you. Watch this. So this is the website for Mallards, which is basically the restaurant that I did a funnel for. So I just want to show you the difference between like their website and how my funnel is actually going to help them out. So if you're a restaurateur or maybe you have another business, this is basically what I'm talking about. So here's Mallard's restaurant, their website, right? They have all these menus and there's lots of things to choose from. But this whole website does not really give you any direction on what you want the viewer to do. Like there's not even an email sign up form here. So, but like all this information is just garbage. It's just like, I mean, it's great. I don't want to call it garbage, but it's just saying like, it's just filler. Like this, like, is this me? I get to see their stuff. That's cool. But as the owner of this website, if you were to run an ad and have them come to your website, your viewer has no clue what to do when they come to this thing. So this is what a sales funnel does. So if for instance, if Mallards were to run an ad, instead of running people to your website, you would run them to a landing page like this. So the very first page that people would come to is this first page where it would say something like, enter your email address and we'll give you a free appetizer, which is actually one of the deals Mallards does on this page right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 spaces down. You want people to sign up to your email list, and you have your it's over here. You have all these chances to put out an email list, and it's right here on the last page. So that's what I'm talking about. This is a big problem, right? So if you were to run an ad to their website, that's a big waste of money. So you would, if you have a website that's like this, if you want to make sales or leads, you need to get a website, a sales funnel. So basically, this is what a sales funnel will do for you. So not only will it collect an email, like this is the only thing that the viewer can see, right? So they can't go to another menu or whatever. This is doing exactly what you want the viewer to do. So if you run an ad on Facebook saying like, we're giving away a free appetizer when you join our email list, this is what they would come to. And now you get the person comes to your website knowing, or your sales funnel, knowing they're going to get a free appetizer and they're going to put in their email list. That's not going to happen on this website. All right, get it? Thanks. So I feel like I repeat myself too much. So, but anyways, sometimes I repeat myself for myself. So once they click their button to enter their email, they're then taken to the next step of the funnel. So the next step of the funnel would be like an advertisement for a special or whatever you might have going on. For instance, right here, Mallards does have a half off bottle of wine every Tuesday, and happy hour is all day long on Sunday. And there's also a Bloody Mary bar. So, I mean, this tells the viewer exactly what you want them to see. Going back to here, you're not going to tell your viewer what you want when they come over here to your website. So, there's a lot of stuff to read on your website. So, this gets your point across to your viewer. And if you wanted to, you can even have a video right here instead of pictures, which means like, you could have a salesperson right here or a hostess or a bartender like saying like, hey, welcome to Mallards, come in every Sunday for a half off Bloody Mary bar or whatever. So I mean, you can have like your own salesperson like right here, making this whole website more personable to your viewer. So going on with the sales funnel, they get to see about their specials and they click on this next button right here, where if they want to see the menu, they can. So it directs, it keeps directing your eyeballs where you want them to go, basically. So right here, the next page would be like, this is our menu, check it out. And then right here it says, would you like to reserve a party? So it's like, here's the thing. So like, I take the person from getting a free appetizer, they're planning on coming in, they come to the next page, they see that you guys have like half off bottle of wines on Tuesday, and happy hour on Sunday. So like maybe now they plan to come out on Sunday for the happy hour, you know. Then they see your menu, and then now they can reserve their reservation. So I mean, this basically gets your viewer to do exactly what you want them to do, from signing up to your email, getting an appetizer, choosing what day they're going to come because they're specials, then now they're making a reservation. So I mean, this is what a sales funnel does. So I mean, a website is necessary, don't be wrong. You know, a sales funnel is completely different from your website. So your website will not be touched at all. I don't touch your website at all. So it's like a sales funnel is a new domain, and it's basically completely separate from your website. So if for any reason that you wanted me to link the funnel up into your website, meaning like if you had a submission form, like if people were ordering online or something like that, I could seriously have a funnel that starts off the person with their process and then they lead up onto your website where they make their purchase or whatever. Or if you're a web store for any reason, I can sell products from your sales funnel as well. So, but just saying, like, your sales funnel is completely different from your website. It's to have one of these made, I usually charge $500 or something like that, depending on how extensive the website or the sales funnel is. But I can make a basic sales funnel for only $250 for that as well. So if you like what you see, give me a call, or also just send me an email on entrepreneurbreakthroughs@gmail.com. Thanks a lot.